If a woman doesn't enjoy orgasm in her sex life, she will lose interest in sex life. How to give women sexual pleasure. Many men not only want to reach orgasm by themselves, but also want their wives to experience this happiness and let their wives reach orgasm. So what makes women orgasm? What are the manifestations of women's orgasm? I1/4. What method can let a woman achieve orgasm? €1. Carefree love in the morning. Come home after a hard day and have no interest in making love at all? You might as well use your morning time to have a carefree sex life. I suggest you choose to have sex on weekend morning. You'll be particularly relaxed on weekend mornings. After a night's rest and adjustment, your physical condition will be better. At this time, the quality of sex will certainly satisfy you. €2. Eros licking pose. This position is that the woman lies flat and the man lies on the woman, which will make the woman want more. This sexual intercourse posture is a kind of sexual intercourse posture that most people will use. It is more convenient for men to exercise. It is called God of Love licking posture in Western countries. This posture can well meet the desire of men to conquer. €3. Take your sex toys home. Due to the difference of orgasm time between men and women, try sex products with couples. I1/4. What are the manifestations of women's orgasm? Women's orgasm time is very short, but the orgasm feeling is very diverse. According to a survey of 936 married women of childbearing age, women's orgasms include 8 common single types: vaginal contraction type, warm current type, shaking type, current passing type, laughing and carnival type, floating into the air type, moaning and uneasy type, and drunken and hazy type. Some people can show 2 or 3 types at the same time, or even mix 4 types. I1/4. Healthful food makes you have an orgasm. Carrot soup. Prepare 2 carrots, wash and cut into thin filaments. Add 150 g milk, stir well, and then add a small amount of salt. Drink once a day for a week. Honey diced fruit. Prepare 200 g walnut kernel, mash it with tools, add 100 g figs, 100 g dried apricots and 100 g raisins, mix evenly, and add 100 g honey to mix. Eat 1 tablespoon a day. Celery egg soup. Cut 300 g celery into filaments. Pour an appropriate amount of water into the pot, add celery after boiling, and cook for 1 minute. Continue to add an appropriate amount of flour and a cup of thick broth. Add an egg and cook it. Grape cinnamon wine. Put 20 grams of cinnamon in 1 kilogram of baijiu, and soak it in a sealed way for 15 days. Drink 50 to 80 grams before going to bed every day.